Product management open to all backgrounds.
Product management is not just for those with technical degrees. Many successful product managers come from diverse fields such as business, design, or the arts. What matters most are strong communication skills, problem-solving abilities, and customer empathy. If you're passionate about solving problems and building great products, you can break into this dynamic field even without a tech background.
Build core product skills.
Focus on developing essential skills like market research, user empathy, road mapping, and stakeholder communication. These skills are highly valued in product management and do not require coding knowledge. Online courses, workshops, and books, many free or low cost, can help you master these areas and build credibility.
Showcase transferable experience.
Leverage your existing work experience even if it's not tech-related. Skills from fields such as marketing, sales, customer support, or project management translate well to product roles. Highlight achievements that required leadership, cross-functional collaboration, or launching new initiatives in your applications and interviews.
Gain hands-on product experience.
Look for opportunities to work on products firsthand. You might volunteer for product-related tasks in your current job, contribute to open-source projects, or participate in hackathons. Creating your own side project is another powerful way to gain practical experience to show prospective employers.
Network and find mentors.
Building relationships within the product community is crucial. Attend product management meetups, webinars, or join online communities to connect with current PMs. Networking can lead to informational interviews, mentorship, and even job referrals. Reach out respectfully and learn from others' experiences breaking into the field.
Land your first product management role.
Target entry-level or associate PM positions or roles at startups where diverse backgrounds are valued. Tailor your resume and cover letter to emphasize relevant, transferable skills and your passion for product work. Prepare for interviews by practicing common product scenarios and questions. Persistence and adaptability will help you succeed in your product management journey.